Alrighty guys, here's the deal. Y'all see this Ram 1500. Now guys, this truck came in for noise, ticking noise when it's cold. The only problem is I can't duplicate it now. That's because they have had the truck running and it's hot now. But if you suspect the exhaust is your problem, all you gotta do is let the vehicle up in the air and physically check for broken studs. You might not hear it now. Just go, you see that? If that moves like that, yeah, that stud is broke. Okay, just do both sides. This is how you physically check for it. Normally we want to hear it, but we can't hear it because some dummy left the truck running and now it's hot. This truck will make that produce that noise basically when it's cold, and once it heat up, the noise will just dissipate. All right, so this is the exhaust flange on the exhaust stud broken on the right side. Y'all see what I'm doing? All you gotta do is pull on this. That should not pull because this stud should keep it in place.